Hi, my dear children, how are you? Hope that all are doing well. Today we are going to study the world around us. Unit 6 Health. Worksheet number 1, page number 55. Let's mark tick or into in the appropriate boxes. My dear children, here you can see so many health habits. We have to follow so many good health habits, isn't it? You will be following that. Now you have to tick the health habits that you are following, and the health habits that you do not follow, you have to put an into mark. Okay, let's begin. First one, wake up in the morning. We all wake up in the morning, isn't it? It is also a good habit. So, you have to put a tick mark in that box. Then the second one, throw waste here and there. We know we must not throw waste here and there, isn't it? We all put the waste in our dustbins, isn't it? In school and at home you have dustbins, and we are using that dustbins to throw waste things. So throw waste here and there is not a good health habit. So you have to put into mark in that box. Okay, the next one, brush teeth daily. Yes, it's a good habit, isn't it? We are also following that good habit. We all brush our teeth daily. So you have to put a tick mark. The next one, keep food open. Will you do that? No, isn't it? We won't keep food open. So you have to put an into mark in that box. Then the next one, bathe near the well. എന്താണ് bathe near the well? കിണറിനടുത്ത് നിന്ന് കുളിക്കുക. ചെയ്യാറുണ്ടോ ആരെങ്കിലും അത്? ഇല്ല, ആരും ചെയ്യില്ല അല്ലേ? എന്താണ് കിണറിനടുത്ത് നിന്ന് കുളിച്ചാൽ അഴുക്ക വെള്ളം വീണ്ടും കിണറിലേക്ക് തന്നെ വീഴും. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മളാരും അത് ചെയ്യാറില്ല. സോ വി ഡോണ്ട് ഡു ഇറ്റ്. സോ യു ഹാവ് ടു പുട്ട് ആൻ ഇൻടു മാർക്ക്. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, play games. What are the games we are playing? Yes, we play so many games at home, isn't it? It is also a healthy habit, so you can put a tick mark. But remember, we don't play mobile games. It is not a good habit, so we don't play mobile games. Other games we are playing in our home are good for health. So put a tick mark. Then the next one, throw waste into the river. Is it a good habit? Is it good for health? No, isn't it? River water is used by most of the people and animals. So river water must be pure, isn't it? So we must not throw waste into the river. So you have to put an into mark. The next one, drink pure water. It's a good habit. It's correct. We have to drink pure water. Otherwise, we will become ill, isn't it? So you have to drink pure water, and then you put a tick mark in that box. Worksheet number 2. Let's identify the food items that are good for health. നമ്മുടെ ആരോഗ്യത്തിന് നല്ലതായിട്ടുള്ള ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണെന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടെത്തേണ്ടത്. ഇവിടെ കുറേ ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? സോഫ്റ്റ് ഡ്രിങ്ക്സ്, പാക്ഡ് ഫുഡ്, ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ്, ലീഫി വെജിറ്റബിൾസ്, എഗ്, മിൽക്ക്, കേർഡ്, ഫിഷ്. ഓക്കെ, വി നോ അബൌട്ട് സോഫ്റ്റ് ഡ്രിങ്ക്സ്, isn't it? Is it good for our health? No, we know, isn't it? It is not good for our health. So soft drinks are not good for our health. The next one, packed food. We know packed food have so many preservatives, isn't it? So we must not use packed food. So it is also not good for our health. Then look all others, fruits, leafy vegetables, egg, milk, curd, fish. These all are, yes, good for our health. So you have to write all those things below in the lines given. Yes, I will say once more. Which are the items which are good for our health? Fruits, egg, milk, leafy vegetables, curd, fish. Worksheet number 3, page number 57. Let's match the following. Let's complete the sentences. I cut my nails. One is done for you. Here so many clues are given in the box. First you have to match that and then you have to complete the sentence. First one, cut. What will you cut when it grows? Yes, nail, isn't it? We have to cut nail. So cut nail. Comb. What do we comb? Yes, our hair, isn't it? Comb hair. Then eat. Eat as vegetables. Then drink water. Wash hands. Isn't it? So you have to match these both words together. I will say once more. Cut nail. Comb hair. Eat vegetables. Drink water. Wash hands. Now complete these sentences. First one is done for you. I cut my nails. Then second one, I dash my hair. Yes, I comb my hair. Then third one, I drink pure water. I drink pure water. Then fourth one is I wash my hands. Then fifth one, I eat fresh vegetables. I'll say once more. I cut my nails. I comb my hair. I drink pure water. I wash my hands. I eat fresh vegetables. All of you complete these exercises and send it to a teacher. We will see in the next class.